All right, today's lesson is a continuation of the percents that we've been working on. We're going to learn some new terminology, including markup and commission. We talked about commission a little bit yesterday. The homework is a worksheet. It's the money worksheet. Here's some other information for you. Here are the answers to last night's homework. And I'm going to scroll over because we're going to do those problems later. All right. On your orange sheet that I gave you, we want to talk about some terminology. One thing is markup. Okay? Markup works like this. If I own let's say I own Dick's Sporting Goods. It says a store pays $150 for a portable basketball system. So I went somewhere as the store owner and bought these portable basketball systems for $150. Am I going to take that to my sporting goods store and sell it to you for $150? No, because I would make zero money. What I'm going to do is called mark it up. I am marking it up. And then I sell it to you for the selling price. A markup makes something cost more. A markup. So, we're going to do this by two methods. This is exactly like tax. Exactly like tip. If I bought this item for $150 and I'm marking it up 40%, how do I find the markup? What do I do? How do I find the markup? 150 times 0.4 gives me $60. That is the mark up. That's how much I am marking it up. If you guys want, so back to, we need to find the selling price. Does a markup make something cost more or less? Correct. Take the cost that they bought it for, which is $150, plus the $60 markup. $210 is the selling price. That's what the little tag on the store is going to say. $210. Now, that's method one. If I want to go directly to the selling price, what could I do? Who knows? Lily. By what? I couldn't hear myself. What percent of this am I paying? What percent of the $150 would you have to pay? It's not a trick question. You need to pay 100% of that, and I am paying 40% markup. Aren't I really paying 140%? I'm really paying 140%. So what do I multiply this by to find the selling price? And that'll take you right to 210, which is the selling price. Do you see that? Does that make sense? So, if I ask you to find the markup, you need to do method one. If I go straight to what is the selling price, I don't care if you find the markup and then add it, or you find the selling price straight up. Either method will work. All right. I earn $2,000 a month plus a 6% commission on my total sales. I sold $14,000 worth of things this month. I couldn't think of anything. How much money is my total pay? What should I do? My commission is 6% of my total sales. What do I do? Emma. Correct. 6% of my sales. So 14,000 times 0.06 is $840. That is my commission. how do I find my total pay for this month? Yep, I get paid $2,000 plus my commission, $840. So $2,840 is my total pay. Does that make sense? There's a lot of concepts: tax, tip, commission, markup, discount. All are percent of a number. How do you do percent of a number? Change the percent to a decimal and multiply. The other way you can do it, and some of you do choose to do it this way, is set up a percent proportion. That works. I think that takes more time, but it works. All right. Write this problem down somewhere, because you are going to need to know how to do this, and this is a trickier problem. It says, I paid $14.40 for a shirt at the mall. This should say it, was on sale for 25% off. What was the original price? Hey, you need to stop playing with your calculator and pay attention. You need to be writing this down, because trust me, this is not an easy problem. So I went to the mall and I paid $14.40 for a shirt. It was on sale for 25% off, so that's the sale price. What was the original price? Now, this is tricky. I'm going to set up a percent proportion. 1440 represents what percent of the shirt? Which one? How much? This is 75%, because it's on sale for 25% off. Doesn't that mean I'm paying 75%? So watch my percent proportion. 75 over 100 equals, is 1440 the part or the whole? It is the part, because it's the sale price. That's the nice thing about sale prices. They're part of the original. So I'm looking for the total. Cross multiply. I'm going to have 75x equals 1,440. Divide both sides by 75. And I get 1,440 divided by 75 gives me. That's what my calculator says. How do I write that? $19.20 is the original price. Now, the trick, it's not really a trick, but in order to do this problem, you need to recognize that that 1440 is 75% of the original. Now, the other way you could do it is this. 0.75 times the original x equals 1440. Let x equal the original price. And then you could divide both sides by 0.75, 0.75. Trust me when I say you are going to get 19.2 either way, which is $19.20. You could do a percent equation or a percent